Okay, I have tried out all of these whitening options. So we have Crest Whitestrips, Dr. Dent Whitestrips, and this Glowfinity package. So I'll talk about all these pros and cons and then which one I like the best and would recommend. Overall, I like bleaching my teeth. My dentist has said that it's better for your teeth than using a whitening toothpaste. So I'm moving away from my whitening toothpaste and using my bleach strips again. Tonight I used this Glowfinity one on my teeth and it made a difference. It looks good. So these strips are like a plastic strip that has the whitening gel on them, and then you essentially like stick it like a sticker to your teeth and then let it sit and stay. This Glowfinity one comes with like a mouth guard, and you portion out some of the gel onto the mouth guard and then kind of squish it in your teeth. Pros and cons of these. If you're going with a strip, I think that the Crest ones stick a little bit better to my teeth and work really well and don't like move around too much. These Dr. Dent ones move around a little bit more and feel kind of like gummy towards the end after you've been wearing them for a while. And then when you take them out, they're like kind of leaves a gummy residue that like I want to like brush off. So between the strips, I like the Crest ones better, but I think that the Dr. Dent ones are a better value, and I think that they whiten about the same in one treatment. They both do a good job. So if the Crest ones are on sale or you could get a good price, then I'd say go with the Crest, but if not, the Dr. Dent ones do a good job too. This one also, so the Glowfinity one comes with a light. The evidence is mixed if the light actually does anything. So I looked up the studies, and essentially the idea is that the light breaks down the peroxide in the gel and speeds up the reaction to whiten your teeth more effectively. So there's one study that said it did make a difference and one study that said it didn't make a difference at all. So if this feels too cumbersome to like wear this in your mouth with the mouth guard, then you could just use the mouth guard with the gel without the light. It's not too heavy, but I noticed that after I was wearing it for like 15 minutes, my jaw started to kind of hurt from like biting down on this. So I would say if you're like wanting to multitask while doing your whitening, then I would recommend a whitening strip. But if you're like hyped up on like, let's try the blue light, then I would say this is like a good value. You get 11 treatments with this box that comes with 3 tubes. That ends up being about 11 treatments worth if you use the right amount. So overall, we definitely recommend home whitening options. These are all good options. I don't dislike any of them. I think if you want to like multitask or like think that this mouth guard would be too annoying to wear and you like couldn't see yourself doing that, then I'd say go with the whitening strips. But I think that the liquid gel might be able to like fit your teeth a little bit better and get like a more full white than the strips. Or the liquid gel might be a little bit better. But honestly, whichever one is going to be the easiest for you to like actually fit into your routine and do it, because you have to do it like 5-10 treatments to really see a difference. So anyway, I hope this was helpful, and if you want, you can follow me for more review videos like this.